Good morning, everyone. My alarm clock rings early today. I open my eyes, stretch my arms, and get out of bed. It is time to start a fresh day. Now I am in the bathroom. I brush my teeth thoroughly every morning. I wash my face with fresh water to feel clean and happy. Let us move to breakfast. I go to the bright kitchen for breakfast. I eat warm toast with butter and drink orange juice. A healthy meal gives me great energy for work. I pack my leather handbag for the day ahead. I put my laptop, notebook, and home keys inside safely. Everything is ready, so I am good to go. I lock the front door of my house carefully. I step outside into the fresh morning air. It is a beautiful sunny day, and I feel very excited today. I walk along the sidewalk towards the bus stop. I enjoy looking at blue sky. Walking in it keeps my body strong and healthy. I am waiting for the public bus at the station. I check my wristwatch to see the exact time. The bus arrives on schedule, so I board it calmly now. I take a comfortable seat inside the city bus. I look outside the window to see beautiful tall buildings. The travel is smooth, and I will reach work soon. I enter the main entrance of my office building. I greet the receptionist at the front desk warmly. Everyone here is friendly, and I like working here. I step into the elevator and press floor 5. Moves up quickly and very smoothly. I am heading directly to my quiet work desk on top floor. I sit down at my desk and open my laptop. I reply to important emails from my colleagues. I like keeping my daily work organized and productive. I take a short break to enjoy hot coffee, active and awake during work hours. A good mug of coffee always makes my day brighter. It is lunchtime now, so I eat a fresh salad. I love eating healthy vegetables for my body. Eating good food gives me plenty of energy for later. I join my team members for an afternoon meeting. We discuss new project ideas together happily. Sharing good thoughts makes our teamwork strong and fun. My office work is finished for the entire day. I pack my things and leave the building now. I am excited to head back home for a relaxed evening. I visit the supermarket to buy fresh groceries. I pick organic red apples and green vegetables. Buying fresh food keeps my family healthy. I take a relaxing evening walk in the park. The sunset looks so beautiful and serene today. Fresh outdoor air helps me on a busy day. Now I am at home cooking a delicious dinner. I make hot soup with fresh ingredients and spice. Cooking at home is always fun and very satisfying. I sit on the sofa and read an interesting book. Reading helps me learn new things and relax well. Quiet evening time is my favorite part of the day. It is time to sleep now. I switch off the lights and get into bed. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow for another wonderful day.